Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn and today I have a cleaning video for y'all today because I need to get this house ship-shape and ready for my family to come home. They have been gone in Iowa for 5 days now and I'm like so excited that they're coming home. I miss them so much. I think this is the longest that I've ever been away from my oldest 4 kids. I think so. It's been a long week. So I have 3 littles at home with me, but yeah, my husband went to his sister's house in Iowa. We are from Michigan, so that's about 8-hour drive or so, maybe a little less, and they are so far away from me. I'm sad. But it's been a real fun week too. I went to my mom's and helped her with a project for a couple of days, and so we've been passing the time. Some crazy things happened. We had a bat in the house last night. Actually, I was watching a Hallmark Christmas movie in bed, and I was all the girls, the 3 youngest, were in bed, and all of a sudden I heard a noise, and I was like, went to go check in the bathroom, and there was nothing in the bathroom. So then I got back in bed and I was just sitting there, and then a bat flew out of the bathroom into my room, and it was circling around in my room. We've never had bats in the house, okay? And it had to happen while my husband was gone, of course. So I got the window open and I took the screen out, and I was trying to like shoo him with the screen, like direct him towards the open window, trying to get him out, but he would not go out in the cold. He just kept circling around my bedroom, and I was so scared. So then I think I knocked him with the screen a little bit, trying to like push him out the window, and he went behind my bed. So I called my husband and I was like, you won't believe what's happening to me. I am so scared right now. And he thought it was hilarious, but I was shaking. I almost cried, okay? Like he told me to throw a towel over it and like scoop it up and just throw the towel out the window. And so that's what I did, but I had to get gloves on first because I threw the towel over him, and he was like squeaking, and he was all making this little noise, and I was like, I'm not touching the towel. And then I thought, well, if I get gloves on, I felt like he was gonna bite me through the towel. So I got some gloves on, and I did what he said. I threw him out the window, and he's gone. I was so scared though, but of course that had to happen while my husband was, out of state like that. He's never gone, like, but I'm excited to see them today, and I just want to make sure that the house is all cozy and ready for them to come home to. I'm gonna wash their sheets, and I'm gonna decorate a little bit for Christmas. Not the tree yet, but I thought I would just get all the other stuff out and decorate the house, so when they come home it looks so Christmassy and nice for them. But I'm gonna also be making some chicken soup and just getting ready for them to come home. And I thought I would just film it for you today, so I hope that you enjoy this video. Look who's awake. Lillian's awake, aren't ya? Hi. Might as well strap my wrap on so that she can ride along while we clean. So not too much organization going on in this entryway. We just have the baskets. We keep things in, but we don't have like everyday things in there because the kids can't really reach them anyway. So I just put, bless you. So I just put our, play coats here and our snow pants and then random stuff. And those are like our good going away coats or church coats. And we have everybody has their shoes in a separate area, so everybody knows where their own shoes is. And then we have a bin for mittens, hats, and gloves and things like that. So yep, I'm just gonna vacuum the floor a minute and call it good. So I'm just gonna leave the drywall paint there. I have to show you the garage in a minute. I have to paint the garage because it is just freshly drywalled. We have paper all over the floor so that I can paint and finish up the painting. And we still have a builder coming, and he's gonna put a door in right there so we can just walk in and out. We don't have to use the garage doors all the time. But yeah, everything is kind of in disarray right now. We have things from the garage on the porch, we have them in the basement, and a few things in here yet, but it'll be so nice to get this done. I'm so excited. I also have over here, we'll be able to put like a bench and some shoe organizing stuff, and that will be really nice.
No.
Where are you going?
Nowhere.
Nowhere?
No.
Smells so fresh in here, like brand new drywall.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at you. Get her. What is underneath this hutch? We are about to find out. It's been driving me crazy for a little while though, so I need to get it done. A little bit of real life for you right here. Look at you. You got in the cleaning mood and just started cleaning the fridge all by yourself. Yeah. You saw Mama was cleaning, so you thought that you were gonna help me out, huh? What a nice girl. You're a hard worker. think it turned out pretty. It's not perfect, but I tend to like things that aren't perfect anyway. The command hooks worked really well too, so I can just take it down and there will be no holes in the wall. Yeah, I think it's pretty. This garland was a little bit longer, so I'm gonna have to get another hook for there, I think, and maybe on the other side too, I don't know. I really like these black command hooks though, because they're hidden pretty well and they come off of the wall really easy, so it looks so pretty and festive. I really like the way it turned out. So don't mind the dust, but we're gonna be putting a nativity scene here. These pictures are pretty special. This is my husband's great-grandmother, Anna, and his great-great-grandmother, Kate. So Kate's daughter was Anna, and I had no idea when we named our daughters, Kate, and we have another daughter named Anna, that we were naming them after their great-grandmothers, and I thought that was so special. But I just love these pictures, and I like to display them. What's in this box? We went and got it out of the nativity? Yeah, we went and got it out of the basement. Want to pull out the boxes? Oh, who just brought this?
I don't know.
You don't know? Aunt Kathy brought it.
Oh, candy.
She brought it over. How nice of her.
It was candy.
And crackers. This is from the business, isn't it?
2 packs of candies.
Hmm? Oh, yummy. I bet there's a bunch of cheese in there. What else is in here? What a nice surprise. Wow, honey?
Yes.
A big box of cheese. Okay, so we just went downstairs and got the willow tree nativity out. We'll open it very carefully. Whoa. So a long time ago when Mommy was dating Daddy, I used to work at a Hallmark store, a card store, and when I got married, all the ladies at the card store chipped in and bought me this willow tree nativity set, and I put it up just about every year. We just love it. What else is in there? We'll be careful with that one.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's heavy.
Oh yeah, that's our Merry Christmas sign. I think I wrapped it in a t-shirt. Did see this sign again this year at Hobby Lobby. Merry Christmas. Oh, I sure do love this nativity. And I really like that there are no faces, because obviously we don't really know what Jesus looked like. I love having a nativity to remind us about what Christmas is truly about. Soup in there. We have to add some carrots and celery yet, but it's getting some broth going in there. The chicken's just kind of cooking for now. And there's the bread that I made, but it kind of flopped today because I was preoccupied filming and all. I let it rise too long and it kind of flopped on me, but I think it'll still taste good. So I had an update from the travelers and they are on the road, but they didn't leave until a little bit later. So that means I think they're gonna be home around 9:30, 10 o'clock tonight. So I'm kind of bummed. My chicken soup will be saved for tomorrow. Let's give a little bit to the girls and just save it for later. But I'm kind of bummed, but at least they're still coming home today. It's all good. She's my biggest girl at home, helping mama make some soup. Good job. And we added all the good stuff to the soup. And now all I have to do is take the chicken out and take it off the bone and put it back in. So it is a mess in my kitchen. So I thought I'd tackle that next. As you can see, it's getting dark outside, so I want to get the kitchen all looking nice and get the soup finished up. Enjoy that when he gets home tonight. And I did change the girls' sheets too, but I am not going in there because it's pigsty. So just know that I did do theirs. But you can't even walk in there because their room is a mess right now. So they'll be working on that on Saturday, which is our room cleaning day. But, sleepy girl. She's getting tired. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed watching this cleaning video today. I don't even think I filmed everything that I did, but the house is clean and everything looks good. And I'm excited to see my family. They should be arriving in about, I think, an hour. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps grow my channel and helps other people see my videos if you do. And I will see you all in the next video. I hope you all have a good night. God bless. Bye. They're coming down the driveway. I just saw them.
Just woke up.
It's warm in here.
Hey. Nice to see you.